In fact, you might be surprised to learn that there are seriously incredible after Christmas sales happening, and some are even better than they were before Christmas. Best-selling items from popular brands like Oraro, Under Armour, and more are now up to 60% off. After hours of research and after taking an expert advice, we have included a link in the comment box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1. Twinkly Smart Decorations 600 LED RGB Multicolor Smart Lights. String Series 600 RGB LED lights to produce millions of color variations for precise matching, mood lighting, and room design. Durable design, designed to be durable and long-lasting, these strings withstand both indoor and outdoor spaces without breaking down. Smart Control, user-controlled lighting designed via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with free Twinkly app available for iOS and Android users on mobile or tablets. Number 2. Medico Globe String Lights Fairy Lights Battery Upgraded Crystal Globe Fairy Lights, 32 feet outdoor string lights with 80 super bright LED crystal globes. Each globe has a diameter of 17.5 millimeters, which is much larger than the others. Number 3. Night Lights 300 LED Warm Fairy Curtain Lights for room able to absorb light during the day. The wall clock will glow in the dark for 5 to 6 hours or so. The glow time depends on the light absorbed in the day. Silent Quiet Clock Silent Sweep Clock with no ticking noise at all. Great choice in bedroom and study room. Accurate Time High Quality Material Clock, keeping in accurate time. Easy TO Read Time, luminous wall clock, easy to read the item across room both in the day or in the dark. It requires 1 carbon AA battery instead of alkaline battery, not include in package, size. Number 4. Gupup 100 feet long LED strip lights Bluetooth LED lights for bedroom. Extra long and widely used 100 feet light strips are long enough to reach around your whole house, including bedroom, living room, corridor, staircase, and so on. Multiple scenario, create a warm, harmonious, and romantic atmosphere for your home. Number 5. The great thing with these solar lights is that when you pick the right ones, you could even get benefits out of them all year round. Not only will the LED lights last for many years, but when they are solar powered, there's much less of a CO2 impact. Let me show you some great solar lights. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.